Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot and Rescue Mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. From the following options, let's tap power off and touch power off again just to complete the operation. Afterwards, we need to prepare the USB-C cable connected to your PC or to your computer, and then let's simply start holding volume down. So keep holding volume down, and while holding this volume down key, connect your device by using this USB-C cable. Keep holding volume down, and as you can see right here, the Fastboot and Rescue Mode pops up. So it simply means that now you can use this mode. You can also check out here some information, for example the FRP lock status. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's press power key for a long time. Let me show you. Keep holding power. When your device goes black, you can disconnect your device from your PC. You can release power key, and let's just wait until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, the home screen pops up, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.